Hey everyone, I'm Manpreet and I want to welcome you to this immersive journey on mastering the UX product design whiteboard challenge. If you've ever been in an interview where you were asked to design something on the spot, you already know it's not just about designing, it's about thinking out loud, structuring chaos, and showing your process clearly and calmly. In this course, we're going to break down exactly how to do that. Together, we'll learn how to turn those high pressure whiteboard sessions into opportunities to show your thinking, creativity, and problem solving confidence. This isn't just another design course, it's about how you think like a designer under pressure. We'll cover real life whiteboard challenges, walk through case scenarios, and I'll share frameworks that will help you structure your answers, from understanding the problem to crafting solutions that stand out. You'll learn how to approach any design prompt with clarity, think aloud effectively while staying structured, collaborate with interviewers like a teammate, not a test taker, and most importantly, communicate your design decisions with confidence. By the end of this course, you won't just be ready for whiteboard challenges, you'll start enjoying them. Because when you master your process, you stop fearing the unknown and start owning the conversation. So grab your notebook, open your mind, and let's begin this journey of mindful design thinking, where we don't just draw boxes and arrows, we tell stories, solve problems, and design with intention.